Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to flip or invert video in Capcut. So the first thing you do is open up your Capcut. Now this is the video I want to flip, but in case you don't know how to get here, let me take you back. You can see how I got here. First thing you do is you tap on new project and you pick the video you want if you've not picked a video before. You tap on add and then use the video. Next thing, at the bottom here you have some options. So you scroll until you see transform. Now there are two ways you can do it. You can rotate it or you can mirror it. Rotate, this is it. You tap on it, the video rotates like this. You can also mirror it like this. The position changes. This is the original position. You can mirror it. So that's it. That is how to flip or invert videos in Capcut.